If you don't like seeing the Calls tab on the home screen, this video will show you how to easily hide it using the latest update. To get started, launch the IMO app on your phone. Then, tap your profile picture in the top left corner to access your profile settings. In your profile, tap on Settings to proceed. Next, go to Functions. Under the Tab section, you will find a new option called Show Calls. Simply toggle the switch off next to it. From the confirmation window, tap Confirm. Now, go back to the home screen. You will then notice that the Calls tab has disappeared. This helps you keep your interface cleaner, and focus only on chats without distractions from the Calls tab. You can still access your call history by tapping the person icon in the top right corner, then selecting Call History. So that's how you can hide Calls tab on IMO.